Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I can't believe it. I thought I'd never get this test over. I was testing the latest iRonsnow emergency radio. It has two 18650 batteries, giving you a capacity, best case, of 10,000 milliamp hours. And so I've been running it continuous on an FM station, medium audio level, and here is my results. You can't see it too good, but anyway, it lasted 6 days. So you can see the progression here. It has a maximum of 4 bars. It stayed at 4 bars for 2 days. Then it went down to 3 bars. This is the power capacity indicator. Then after about the 4th day, it went down to 2 bars. And then on the 5th day, it went down to 1 bar and made it to the 6th day and shut off. Amazing. This thing just keeps going and going and going. 6 days of continuous use. Now, it's going to vary, depending on what stations you listen to and what kind of volume you have, and if you use the lights, this bright light, spotlight, the 2 ambient lights, and the reading light. If you use those of course are going to drain the battery. The thing is also my test was continuous, so the battery got no chance to recover when the power was turned off. I left it on the whole time. So I am impressed with this radio. Check out my previous video about this radio. I've added this radio to my Amazon store. I am so impressed with it. Thanks, iRonsnow people, for sending me this radio. Again, it's stereo AM, FM, and I don't remember. I haven't used it because it's just been running. I think it's also weather band and short band. Look at my previous video and you can see the band. Oh, it's on the back, I think. Nope, not on this radio. Usually it's on the back, the various bands. This one does not have it. So you'll have to go back to that previous video I did because I don't remember. It's been 6 days, actually 7 days. I've left it off for a day. I hope I can do the test where, now that I've got the batteries discharged, where I let it charge for a day using this little, it's pretty small, solar cell here to charge those internal batteries. The other test I can do is my 5 crank test, where I discharge the battery and then I crank for 5 minutes, resting between the minutes for 1 minute to give my hand a rest, and then see how long it plays. Pretty nice radio. Does come with a carrying strap. I don't have it on. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.